Hallo, ihr liebe Leute, hier ist wieder der Jenki mit Let's Play The Walking Dead Season 2 uff pälzisch. In der letzten Episode haben wir im Baumarkt ein paar fiese Sachen erlebt. Und zwar, weil die Sarah gequatscht hat, während der Carver morgens gebabbelt hat ihr ihren eigenen Vater auf Zwang vom Carver ordentlich in die scheuern sollen. Und darüber ist er immer noch nicht weggekommen. Und jetzt sind wir hier beim Reggie gelandet und der darf es halt einfach nicht verhunzen. Und die Frage ist jetzt halt, was machen wir? Helfen wir ihr oder machen wir unser eigene Arbeit? Ich würde sagen, ich mache mal eigene Arbeit, weil wenn ich mit meinem eigenen Zeug fertig bin, kann ich immer noch rübergehen und ihr noch beistehen. Deswegen, wenn sie es nicht gebacken kriegt, erst mal mein Kruscht machen und dann ihr helfen, wenn sie nicht so weit ist. Und so lahmarschig muss man jetzt auch nicht schaffen. Also, das sind ja ein paar simple Handgriffe.
Oh, shit.
Oh
no. What did you do? These are only half done. Are those live branches? Clementine, I asked you to help her.
Just checking in. See how the new girls are working out. Reggie.
Die hat's mal wieder voll
Yeah, Bill.
versaut.
Hey,
What the fuck happened in here?
look, Bill, they're new, and me with my arm, it's just not the easy. I have one arm.
Shut up,
so-
shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Oh.
You better have an explanation for this. And I mean now.
Bill, please, just.
Sounds like you're about to give me an excuse when I asked for an explanation.
We'll get it done. Just
Dann nehme ich
give
halt
us
wieder
some
auf
more
my Kappe.
Time's up, Reggie. You had a task. You didn't get it done. Looks to me like you failed.
It was my fault.
Ah,
Carver
this
wird
ain't
sich
your
daran
fault.
erinnern.
We talked about this, Reggie. Didn't we? But you just don't get it, do you?
Get what?
Why don't you girls wait outside? Reggie and I have a few things to talk about.
Ach du Scheiße. Aber so oder so, man bringt ihn immer in die Scheiße. Der Reggie hat immer gelitten. Ich hab's ein paar Mal versucht, auch damals. Und ich weiß so oder so, der Reggie hat immer die Arschkarte gezogen. Was mir leid tut, weil es eigentlich echt ein netter Kerl ist.
What's wrong, Sarah?
Und die Umstände sind halt dran schuld, dass es wirklich so verschisse ist. Weil die Sarah wird immer Scheiße bauen, auch wenn ich ihr helfe, wird's nicht großartig besser. Ich hab sonst immer ihr geholfen. Und jetzt habe ich mal das eigene gemacht.
Jesus.
Bill, no, 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 please. Ah!
Alter.
Weakness, incompetence. It puts us all at risk, and it won't be tolerated. You think about that the next time you're asked to do something.
Na
Get
toll.
downstairs.
Die ist in
Bonnie's
einem...
got some stuff for you to do.
Die ist ein totaler Schock jetzt, die Sarah. Die checkt gar nichts mal. Ihr ganze Welt bricht gerade zusammen. Also ihr Welt liegt in Scherbe. Trophäe erhalten, weiter Weg in Silber. Also weiter Weg in Silber ist nicht die Trophäe, sondern in Silber die Trophäe mit dem Titel Weiter Weg. Ach, deutscher Spruch kann als so schön sein, wenn man sich ausdrückt.
Oh, hey. So, they want you to run some supplies out to the guys working at the expansion? Real simple, just take this over to them. That
Okay.
jacket looks real nice. I don't know what Tavia's talking about. What's wrong? Clem? You
Der
all
Regi ist tot. Reggie ist gefallen.
right? Look like you've seen a ghost.
Reggie's dead.
What? What are you talking about?
Carver killed him.
Bonnie wird sich daran
Pushed him
erinnern.
off the roof.
Maybe it was just an accident.
Das steht ja noch nicht mal der Carver selber Sache.
Listen to me. Take this stuff out to those guys and come straight back. Just be safe, okay? Now ain't the time to be calling attention to yourself.
Und ich meine, wenn man so jemanden wie der Reggie hat, dann lässt man halt nicht die Aufsicht über Leute, sondern dann gibt man irgendwelche Einzelaufgaben, die nicht so wichtig sind.
Hey Troy,
Das ist ja kein-
Clem's just gonna take them boys some nails.
Das ist ja kein Grund, den umzubringen gleich. Von daher in der Gemeinschaft hier stimmt so einiges nicht. Und auch wenn der Post als A-Führer schwer ist, sowas darf nicht passieren.
Get that stuff over to them boys. Just follow them cables.
Ach, fick dich, Troy. Scheiß Typ. Ne, den habe ich gefressen. Das ist echt ein Arschloch. Und die Wand hier sieht auch nicht allzu stabil aus, muss ich sagen. Die ist zwar ein bisschen besser organisiert und nicht so wild chaotisch hier geknallt, aber das hält nicht lang, das Zeug. Und man braucht vor allem eine Zaunwache.
I ain't nobody's laborer. Fuck that. Let them do this shit themselves if it's so
Ups.
goddamn important.
Get your fucking hands off
You
me,
ain't
man.
gonna force me to do this bullshit.
I said get your hands off me.
Or what? You gonna go tell on me?
I'm trying to help you, asshole.
Yeah, this is a real
Reggie ist
help.
tot, es
Why don't
soll's
you
genug
just worry
Schocker.
about yourself?
Get off me.
Reggie's dead. Carver killed him.
What? You
Das
sure?
soll sie genug aus der Reihe bringen. Ja. Jetzt.
Grab something.
Hoppala. Ups, jetzt kommt die ganze Meute hier rein. Walker-Aktion. Batsch. Batsch, hopp. Ich will Batsch machen. Oh nein. Ah, na, du Ekeltyp. Halte den linken Stick nach links, um zu entkommen. Hopp. Kletter durch, kletter durch. Drück. Oh Gott, drück. Clementine, mach. Aber ich glaube kaum, dass der Druck so stark wäre, dass es einen Kopf durchbohren kann. Trotz allem netter Kill. Der Hammer. Sagen wir nochmal, der Hammer der Götter. Und kloppen den Scheißtyp um. Oder das Mädel hier. So. Ich glaube, da war noch ein Schraubenzieher, oder? Ja, genau. Mit dem geht's. Ah, Teufel, Alter. Okay. Oh, ein Pfeil. Ah, der hat eine Armbrust.
Get up. Get out of there. Come on. Make me save your ass. Jesus.
Ja, rattegesichtiger Kompagnon. Widerling mit Rattekopf.
Alright, enough mushy shit. You get back inside right fucking now. I'm sure they got shit for you to do in there. Now. Think I'm fucking around?
Yes,
Now I
das
gotta
leid.
sit down here and babysit you assholes. Can't do a simple fucking patch job without me here cracking the whip?
Er sollte bedenken, dass hier 3 Leute sind. Und wenn der Sklavearbeiter, wenn der Sklaveaufseher zu viel Scheiße labert, dann wird er irgendwann von der Sklave abgemurkst. Also den Typ kann ich überhaupt nicht ausstehen. So ein Riesenarschloch, der sich einer auf seine Machtposition wichst. Wer ist jetzt?
Stop! Hey, it's me.
Amodo, der Luki.
Yes. Man, bit the hell out of me. Think you drew blood. Come all this way. This is the welcome I get.
What are you doing here?
All right, listen, we ain't got much time. Okay, I followed y'all here best I could. Haven't had a night's rest since y'all got nabbed, and well, that's the first chance I got to talk to somebody.
Okay.
They're everywhere. Okay, they got guards watching everything.
Ja, es muss bestimmt nicht leicht gewesen sein, hier reinzuschleichen, ohne dass man bemerkt wird. Also alle Achtung, aber er kennt ja auch die den Lade hier.
It's bigger than I ever seen around these parts.
Carver
Okay.
mentioned that. Said he hopes it passes us.
Nett, wenn man sie herlockt.
Yeah, I heard folks talking about that, but that ain't so. Okay, it's gonna hit this place. I know it is. Now, I don't know when, but it's coming and it's gonna be soon. See, I've been looking for places to get you all free, but... I haven't
Vielleicht
been
kann
able
das
to
so
find
einschätzen. Aber
Are you feeling okay?
erstmal froh, wie es ihm geht.
No, I mean, yeah, yes.
Das
Sorry.
ist
I
die
just
reine
think this is
Höflichkeit
something,
gebietet
hard
es.
to rest when you think a lurker's about to get the jump on you at any moment. But yeah, yeah, I'm fine. Okay, don't worry about me.
Okay, es ist ja ein Navi von netter Kerl, der
Well,
Luke.
the whole situation's dangerous, but well, we're in it now. It's what we got. We just need a plan, and a way to get you and everyone.
Luke!
Oh, sorry, shit. Okay, Troy ain't gonna like you being late. Listen, Clem, I need you to meet me here tomorrow about this time. Because I need you to get me one of those radios, okay? You
Okay.
think you can do that? Just one of those walkie-talkies. I just need to be able to tell y'all what's going on with them guards. You know, I'll figure out the schedule the patrols are on. I mean, they're all over the place, but I can keep an eye on them for y'all from out here. Look, we ain't gonna be able to shoot our way out of here, so we gotta be careful. We just gotta be smart.
Wo?
Where do I get one?
I think they keep them in the stock room. I ain't completely sure, though. Just keep your eyes out for the charging station. Now, they put most of them back on there at night. Remember,
Okay.
you meet me here tomorrow. I'll try and be here around this time, but if I ain't, just wait as long as you can, because I really need one of those radios. And just let everybody know I'm all right, okay? I'm worried they,
Get out where I can see you.
Ja, ist ja
get out of here.
gut. Troy McClure. Übrigens von The Simpsons, der grotterschlechte B-Movie-Schauspieler.
Huh? Answer me.
I was hiding from walkers.
Don't go in there, you hear me?
Troy
That
wird
is
sich
off
daran
fucking
erinnern.
limits to you. Bill Radio wants a word with you up in his office. So get on up there, now.
Zu der Bonnie wollte ich eigentlich zuerst, soll ich zum Luke, zu der Bonnie gehen, dann soll ich zum Luke gehen, jetzt soll ich zum Carver gehen. Was ist denn das? War ein knallharter Arbeitstag, bitte. Okay, die Bäcker ist da auch over. Mann, Ometer, das ist aber echt eine Arschlochgemeinde hier. Aber ja, Tavia war, glaube ich, die Recruiterin, also das ist die Gemeinschaft, für die sie rekrutierten in 400 Tage.
She's a strong woman, surrounded by weak men. I ain't letting my kid get raised around that. Get in here.
Oh. Oh. Links in der Ecke war wer? Der
Alvin?
zusammengekloppte Elvin.
He passed out hours ago. He can't hear nothing. No point in making a racket.
Why are you doing this?
Me and him, we got history. Understand? A couple things we had to get worked out. I wouldn't be so concerned about his well-being if I were you. Not with you being so close to the fire yourself.
Wenn er immer so auf harter Mann macht, hätte er aber auch Mann gegen Mann Kämpfe klosse können und nicht auf den Stuhl binden und dann zusammenschlagen. Das machen nur Pussys, also sorry, aber ist so, das machen nur sadistische Pussys.
You might not believe this after what happened earlier, but I liked Reggie. He was a funny guy. He kept things light. You need folks like that. It's easy to let depression sink in during times like this. But he was weak. And I don't mean just because he was maimed. That wasn't his problem. He was weak of will. And weak of character.
Alter.
And we can't have that around here. Not anymore. Not with what we got at stake.
Bist der Mörder, das ist jeder.
He didn't deserve that. Even if he messed up, he didn't deserve to die.
Oh, he certainly did.
Nee.
You see, Reggie put us at risk with his incompetence. He's had a string of screw-ups lately.
Dann hätte man irgendwo anders hingeschickt.
Part of survival. It's one of the tough decisions that a weaker person couldn't make. It's why it falls to people like us to lead them to safety. You understand? Well, I wish it was different, I do. But they are weak, and we are strong. That's why it's our responsibility to shepherd the flock, to keep them safe. It's their nature to follow, not to lead.
Boah.
You know what I wish?
What's that, honey?
I wish Kenny had killed you.
Carver wird sich daran erinnern.
Right there. You think anyone out there'd have the balls to say something like that?
Nicht wirklich. Ja, aber...
In fact, I think you realize it, but you're not comfortable with it yet. There's no way you could have lasted this long otherwise. I realized it back in that cabin. You were scared, but you looked me straight in the eye, kept your nerve. That's what we need. If we're gonna get through this, the next generation has to be stronger than the last to lead us out of this. Kids like you, raised the right way. The way my child will be raised.
Jetzt kann ich mir in etwa vorstellen, wie die Gruppe in Savannah drauf war.
It's not knowing if I got anyone to hand all this off to, but I ain't worried about that anymore.
It's not your baby. It's Alvin's.
Well, even if that was true, it's mine now. All right, now.
Bill, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
The loading bay door is jacked.
Troy really knocked the shit out of it.
How bad is it?
Rails are tweaked so it won't shut all the way. I don't think it's an emergency or anything, but it's something Stan should take a look at when he can.
I'll get him on it. Out. That fucking idiot. Herd on its way, and he puts a goddamn ding in my door. Go on back out to the yard. It's almost supper time.
Okay. Super Zeit, her. Sau gut. Trophäe erhalten. Wieder in Silber. Ein langer Tag. Naja, so lang ist es jetzt auch nicht gewesen. Nur ein bisschen rumgelatscher, oder? Okay. Der Comiclader ist wohl auch noch neben dran gewesen. Das haben sie durch diese Schiene hier verbunden. Durch diese Zaunschiene.
So you want to ring the dinner bell for a herd of walkers to show up? How is that better?
Cause this place will be fucking chaos when that
Richtig.
thing hits. No one will be paying any attention to us. And that's when we go. It's our opening. We just gotta figure out a way to draw them to us.
Your friend here wants to get us killed by lurkers before Bill can do it.
What is it with you?
That's what it sounds like to me.
You know that's not what he's saying, but it does sound dangerous.
This shit is all dangerous.
Kenny, do not
Dann
speak
sagen wir
to
mal
me
den
like
Luke.
that.
Maybe Luke could help us. He's outside. He wants a radio to help keep an eye on the guards.
Thank you. That's the plan I vote for.
You know about Luke?
He flagged us down when Troy wasn't looking. Told us his plan. Mentioned he talked to you.
Okay.
If Luke can tell us what's going on with the guards, we can use that to pick a good time to escape.
That seems reasonable.
Who knows when that'll be? There was a girl back at Crawford that used church bells to
Crawford,
send walkers all
genau.
over the city. We just need something really loud.
Also die Gemeinde hier von Carver erinnert mich stark an Crawford.
There's some speakers outside the building, pointed toward the parking lot. I saw them when we were walking out to the work. Troy's always standing next to one of them.
I saw the controls. They're in Carver's office.
She's right. It's all controlled in Bill's office. There's a switch in there that'll turn them on.
How do you know that?
War
I
ja
used
8
to make
Uhr,
a lot
ne?
of the announcements back in the day. I had it flipped on once. Luckily, there wasn't much around at the time to hear it. It was plenty loud, though.
That's perfect. We just gotta get into his office. Why didn't you say something sooner?
Because it doesn't change anything. This isn't a discussion about how to do it. It's a discussion about whether it's stupid. And it's still stupid. The sensible thing is to get Luke the radio and wait for an opening.
You're real difficult to deal with sometimes.
Wir können beides
No,
erledigen,
that's all
oder?
right. You ain't exactly a peach either.
Luke's
Ich
in
würde
no
sagen,
shape
die
to help
Horde
us.
eigentlich
You wanna
eher,
put our
ne?
fate in that guy's hands, it's not happening.
We need to get out of here soon, and the herd is right there. I'd rather take my chances with them than Carver.
Atta girl.
Look,
Kenny wird sich daran erinnern.
mutually exclusive. Getting Luke the radio is helpful whatever we end up doing. It doesn't hurt to have more information.
You know what? Fine. I can get behind that.
Okay.
Okay, so we get that turd a radio. He keeps us posted on the herd's movement. We fire up the PA thing and bring the walkers to roll over this place.
And then what?
Get some guns and shoot our way out. I don't know. Whatever we can. We improvise.
Then that's not a plan. You don't plan to improvise.
I figured out what your problem is. You don't think this stuff through. If the end of the plan is just to stroll through a herd of walkers, then you should know from the jump there's no way it's ever going to work.
Actually, I do it all the time.
Die erinnert mich auch ein
First
bisschen
words
an die
I ever
Molly,
hear
ne?
you say, and it's just some crazy, stupid shit.
Hush. What do you mean exactly?
When you cover yourself in their smell, rub the walker guts all over you. They can't tell you from one of them.
Ja, das hat die Clementine auch
Now I
gelernt.
know who's crazier.
Trust me, I've walked through herds before. It works. You just have to keep calm and make sure you're good and covered.
Lee hat das
You seem to
herausgefunden.
know what you're talking about.
Lee figured that out.
What?
Ja,
It's how
damit
we
ich den
got out
Kenny
the
auch
marsh
überzeugen
house.
kann.
Lee covered me, and we walked right through.
Really?
Marschhaus ins mit Sumpfhaus übersetzt.
All right. What are we waiting for?
Ja,
Let's get
damit
that
wollte ich den
stupid
Kenny überzeugen, dass der Lee auch schon rausgefunden hat.
Stockroom.
I got a plan for that too. Come on, kid. Gonna need your help.
Okay, die erinnert mich ein bisschen an die Molly, muss ich sagen. Auch so ein toughes Mädel.
Where'd she come from?
Die hat's auch drauf, ne?
We just need to use the winch. She can just climb up from there. Then just drop into one of the skylights over the stockroom. There are shelves and stuff for you to land on, so you probably won't fall to your death.
Okay, nett.
That thing breaks all the time. Unless something's changed, it won't support much weight.
Das wäre wohl auch wieder das Kind, ne?
Up and at 'em.
Don't push her, Kenny.
She's our best bet. I mean that, Clem.
Now or never, I guess.
That's my girl. We gotta get that rope down. Mike, you wanna boost her up?
Come on, kid.
Come on, kid. Ich mag die Stimme von der Schwarze hier in The Walking Dead. Die sind immer so schön tief. Okay, und das machen wir morgen wieder, ihr liebe Leute. Wir sehen uns dann auch wieder zu Let's Play The Walking Dead Season 2 uff pälzisch. Machen's gut, Eiern Jenki.